today?
Good.
Good. Well, today I'm so glad you're here with me because we are going to do a science experiment. Do you like science experiments?
I love science
Awesome.
experiments.
And we are going to do an experiment that I am calling rainbows and light. Do you like rainbows?
I love rainbows.
Okay. Well, today we have quite a few materials here that we're going to use. So I'm going to ask you to just respect the materials and use them like you're supposed to, okay?
Okay.
Follow directions, work together with me, cooperate, and have fun. Just like I said, handle everything with care. And then I'm going to probably ask you to help me clean up after the experiment too.
Okay.
You can handle that, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, we are first going to state our problem, which is, can a rainbow form in different types of light? So we're going to use different types of light to see if we can make a rainbow. How does that sound?
Good.
Okay. So the first thing we're going to do is talk a little bit about rainbows. Do you know how rainbows form?
Like after it rains.
After it rains.
And then the sun comes back out.
Uh-huh. And then you usually see a rainbow then.
Mm-hmm.
That's because the water droplets reflect and refract the light, and it acts like a prism. Have you ever seen a prism before?
Yes.
It acts like a prism, and all that light's bouncing around, and it's causing all those beautiful colors that you see in a rainbow. What types of light are there? Can we think about what types of light we have?
Like a flashlight?
Flashlight. What other kinds of light are there?
The sun.
The sun.
The light that comes from the light bulb.
Yeah, like when you turn on the light when you go in a room.
Mm-hmm.
Can you think of any other kinds of light?
No.
No. That's probably, I think you got most of them.
Mm-hmm.
That's probably the main ones that we see anyways. So if we were to take water and then use the sunlight that we have from this window here and try to make a rainbow, and then maybe we took some more water and we used the flashlight, that's the kind of light that you said, which was awesome, and water and tried to make a rainbow, what do you think would happen?
There would be a few colors.
There'd be a few colors.
Not all the colors.
There wouldn't be all the colors, you think? For which one? For the flashlight? For the sun?
Both.
For both? Okay. All right, well that is exactly what we are going to do today, okay?
Okay.
So the materials that you have here are a plastic cup, okay? And we actually need one more plastic cup. Can you stay right there?
Yeah.
Okay. Because we needed two plastic cups and I forgot to get the other one, okay? We are going to use those plastic cups to put water in. So we're going to need 2 cups of water all together, 1 cup for each. So that's what this is for. And I'm going to have you measure that here in a minute. That's a measuring cup there. We need 2 white sheets of paper. 1, 2. We need the sunlight, which we're going to get from our window over here. And then we're going to need the flashlight as well. And when we use the flashlight, we're going to have to turn the lights off in here and close those blinds to try to make it as dark as we can, okay? It's kind of hard because you need the sunlight for this and you need it to be dark at one point too. So we're just going to have to do the best we can there, okay? So let's see what our steps are to investigate. Oh, we need to measure first. So have you ever used the measuring cup before?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, this is our water. Okay, it's just in here, it's not measured. But we need 1 cup of water in each of these. So what do you think you need to do first with our water?
You need to pour it to where it says 2 cups.
Do you think you need to pour it to where it says 2 cups? Or if we need 1 cup for each, what do you think the easier way to do it would be?
Fill 1 cup at a time.
Yeah, so pour the water in and fill it to 1 cup. Just get the best you can. If you pour too much, we can always pour back into the big cup of water, so it's okay.
Is this enough for you to fill it at the top?
Oh, all the way to the red, see the red line right to the side of the cup?
Yeah.
That's where you're going to pour it. Great job. Okay, now you're going to take that and pour it into one of those plastic cups. Uh-oh, it's not too full, is it? Nope, a little bit more. See, you got a little bit more in there. Let's get it all in there. So we make sure we have the right amount, the same amount of water in each cup.
Okay.
Good job. Okay, now why don't we go ahead and fill this cup up too, so we're all ready to go. So now what do you need to do?
Fill it to the 1 cup again.
Yep, good job.
I filled a little. No, I got it.
Okay, so you need to put that where?
In this cup.
Into our other cup. Good job. Okay, good job, Elizabeth. So the first thing we're going to do is use the, what's this light called coming through the window?
The sun.
The sun light, right?
Yeah.
We're going to use the sunlight to see if we can make a rainbow on our white sheet of paper using the cup of water. So can you come, let's see, make sure you're still going to be on here. Can you come around this way? And then you're going to take a cup of water, and you can kind of set it on the paper. You can move the paper a little bit if you want to. Like you could bend the paper up maybe.
I see it.
Yep, and we're seeing some colors there. Wow, okay. So did the sunlight make a rainbow on our paper?
Yeah.
The sunlight? Okay, awesome. So we have that done. You can leave that there. Come on back around here for me. Okay, so now we're going to do the next thing, which is trying to make it dark in here. So will you hit that light switch, turn it off, and I'm going to close these. I'll be right back, okay?
Okay.
And it's kind of dark in here. Probably dark enough. So we're going to do the same thing, sort of, that we did, but what are we going to use that's different on this part?
The flashlight.
The flashlight instead of the
sunlight.
Right. So, can you put your cup of water, set it right here,
Right
anywhere on the paper, and then you're going to turn your flashlight on, and you kind of shine it through. Look at this.
Whoa.
What is that on the edges there, on the paper?
A rainbow.
A rainbow. So did the flashlight
Yeah.
make a rainbow? Okay, good job. All right, so what was our question at the beginning? Do you remember what our question was at the beginning?
What all the types of sunlight.
The types of light there were?
Yeah.
And remember we said, can a rainbow be made, or can it form from different types of light?
Yes.
So you think our answer was yes? Why do you think our answer was yes? What did you observe that tells you that different types of light can make a rainbow?
When I shined the flashlight on the cup of water, you could see the colors and it made a shape of a rainbow.
Uh-huh.
And when I did the sunlight, it made the shape of the rainbow, but not as much.
It wasn't as many colors, but there was still a rainbow on there. And you know, I think that maybe, this is just what I think, that if maybe the sun was a little brighter today, or it was earlier in the day, we might have gotten more colors, because those sun rays would have been closer.
Yeah.
But we did see a rainbow with the sunlight
Yeah.
and with the flashlight.
Yeah.
So could we say, if we ask the questions, do different types of light form a rainbow, what would the answer be to that?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, good job, Elizabeth. Now I just have a couple more things that we need to do here. I think I need to ask you. Thanks for being patient while I look at my notes here. Why do you think that this happened?
Because kind of like when it rains, it happens because it like the prism reflects like a kind of a cube of ice with the light.
Like a cube of ice? That would be another thing we could try.
Yeah, and the light reflects off of it just like a mirror.
Uh-huh.
But that's how color works too.
Okay.
Now you see color.
Yeah, so you think that the sunlight and the flashlight help do that? Both of those. Good job. High fives all around. Now the other thing I have to ask you is, Have you ever seen a rainbow in real life?
Yes.
Like a real rainbow outside?
Mm-hmm.
What was the weather like, or what did you notice about outside when you saw this rainbow?
It was super rainy and it was kind of foggy.
It was kind of foggy. What else was out though that made the rainbow? Like, was it still raining or had it been raining?
It had been raining, but it stopped.
It stopped, and what else happened?
Well, the sun got a little brighter.
The sun got brighter,
Mm-hmm.
and so then you saw
The rainbow.
the rainbow. Was the rainbow where it was sunny, or was the rainbow over where it was cloudy?
It was more where it was sunnier.
Yeah.
And there's only half of the rainbow, not all.
You didn't see the whole rainbow.
Yeah.
Sometimes there's not enough, I guess, light or water to make the whole rainbow.
Yeah.
Or sometimes they hide behind clouds too. I
Yeah,
think.
and the fog covered
Yeah.
most of it.
Yeah. How was that when you saw the rainbow outside
Mm-hmm.
in real life? How was that like the experiment that you just did today with me?
How it was the water when it rained and it stopped, and then how we used light. And
The
it was
light.
bright.
What else did we use?
Water.
And water. So it was like the rain
Mm-hmm.
and the sun.
Mm-hmm.
We kind of used rain with water, right?
Yeah.
And the sun.
Mm-hmm.
And then we used water with the flashlight.
Mm-hmm.
All right, good job. Do you have any questions?
No.
Okay. All right, well, thank you so much for doing this experiment with me today.
You're welcome.
I hope you liked it.
I loved it.
All right, and now we're going to clean up our mess.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome.